Python. The computer language that we've been learning this year is Python. Today I'm going to be going over basic concepts, which is one of the modules that we have been learning about in the computer language Python. So the section that I am going to be showing and going over with you guys is called Simple Operations. Simple Operations is a very fun section for me because I like doing mathematics, and it kind of puts coding and all of the things that you learn in math, like addition and subtraction and division, multiplication, and it's all intermingled in one, and I really enjoy it. So let's get started. The very first direction and question in this section is Python has the capability of carrying out calculations and yada 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 yada. So I like looking at the example because this really helps me. Like 2 plus 2 is 4, right? So that's the output of the code. And 2 plus 4 minus 3 is 6. That's the output of this code. So the next section is going to be as easy as that. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6. Correct? Yay! Okay. And the next one, also, I want to point out right here to division. 10 divided by 2 we usually say is 5. But in coding, it is 5.0. And at first, when I was first learning coding, I was like, why is that? Sometimes, when you are coding, certain programs and websites won't let you just put 5. So 5.0 equals it out. And we also used one of the platforms called Python Shell. And Python Shell does the exact same thing. You type in your code and it puts the output of the answer. So I actually have Python Shell up right now. So what is the code? Parentheses 4 plus 8 parentheses divided by 2. Oops, that's a question mark. Divided by 2. Hit enter and it says 6.0. Now I just started using Python Shell not too long ago, so I definitely did not go there to get the answers, but it's also helpful when you're first learning. So 6.2, and it's correct. Let's go to the next one. The one before, it's saying how negative numbers plus a positive times a negative equals a positive. Negative equal negatives. In this case, so we're trying to get our output positive. So we'll put negative right there. -1, yep. And let's see. And it's correct. Let's do one last one. There's no example here, but we do know from the previous direction that the answer will be 5. And voila! This is one of the easiest languages to learn, and I enjoyed learning it this year, and we're going to be learning it next year, and all the things that we learn, we're going to be putting them into making something with Raspberry Pi. And I also wanted to show you guys one of the things that I want to make with Raspberry Pi is a robot. It would be so cool to make a robot out of coding, and I'm working with robotics, so I can't wait till next year in January, in the February season, to start working with robotics and coding to make a robot. And that is the end of my presentation. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Peace.